Hey everybody, it's Videobob from Bob's Prop Shop and the TV show Screen Machines, and I've got another cool present from Kiss. I don't really know what this is. All I know is I got a box delivered, and there was a reference on here, something about Kiss. Okay, well, let's not delay. Let's just open this thing up. I don't know. I'm not showing you this side because I want you to see my shipping label. You people don't need my address. You'll send me anthrax. Okay, it's some kind of a picture or something. It's obviously there's no letter or anything inside. It's I guess a framed photo. That's the bubble wrap. Now you can watch me getting freaky. Oh. Okay, people love that. Goddamn, more tape. Okay. I'm such a thug. I reviewed this knife in one of my other previous videos. This is my mini infidel. Comes in handy for opening boxes. Okay, cardboard. Oh my God. Okay. Before I show it to you, I gotta get the rest of this shit off of here. So you can see it clearly. Whoa! It's a Kiss Platinum record to commemorate more than 1 million copies Casablanca released. Kiss, Gene Simmons, Paul Stanley, Ace Frehley, Peter Criss. Presented to Videobob Moseley, RIA. Oh, wow. I can't wait to hang this up on the wall with all my other gold records and platinum records that I have. That is so badass. Where's it? Is there no letter with it? Gene didn't give me a letter or nothing? There was no invoice or anything. It's got my fucking name on it. How awesome is that? To Videobob Moseley. Wow. Well, there you go. Another awesome Kiss thing. Fuck yeah, Kiss! I want to rock and roll all night. I just got up. It's almost 1 o'clock. I got up at like 12:30. This is my morning face. But the doorbell woke me up. And I was like, I better answer this. Sounds important. I can tell when it's an important doorbell. Hey, all right, if you like stuff like this, when I'm more awake, follow me on this channel, subscribe, and make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and all those other social media thingies. You can even find my number on your bathroom wall. I'm Videobob. Thanks for watching.